Okay, yan, number one. Do's and don't ng upline, downline relationship.
Madami yan.
Dami, no? Do's and don'ts.
Siguro, to summarize, do's and don'ts, with regards to the downline and upline, downline muna ako magsisimula. Yung downline, your best navigational guide in this business is your upline. Sila yung guide ninyo. What to do. And for that, ikaw bilang downline, makinig ka doon sa sasabihin ng downline, ng upline mo, kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin. Meron lang gray area kung sasabihin, to such extent, to such a point. Basta tama yung pinagagawa sa'yo ng upline mo,
Yes.
do everything you can.
Palo.
Yeah. Paano malalamang tama? Moral, legal, at ethical. Ayan, no?
Ulitin. 1, 2, 3.
Moral,
legal, at
ethical.
ethical.
Alam nyo naman yung mga moral at immoral. Alam nyo naman yung illegal at legal, nasa company policy.
Correct.
Alam nyo naman yung ethical and being non-professional.
Yes.
So, basta nasa moral, legal, ethical na issue, do everything to follow your upline. But, pag isa doon ang nababiolate, you have all the right para hindi sundin.
Yes.
Di ba gano'n naman ang leadership? Di ba kahit hindi dito sa AIM, kahit sa bahay, sa government, kahit sa office ninyo, pag tingin mo yung pinagagawa sa'yo, mali na, meron kang karapatan to resist. So in terms of downlines and uplines, downlines, please, your best navigational equipment here, your best navigational guide are your uplines. Alam nyo po, nung araw, nung hindi pa uso GPS, ang guide ng mga manlalayag, mga seamen, are the stars. Kasi the stars are permanent. They never change. In fact, hanggang ngayon, some navigators, they still use the stars as their navigational guide. Because with the stars, you can never go wrong. Dito sa business natin, basta ang tinuturo sa'yo ng upline mo, moral, legal, ethical, you can never go wrong. Tandaan nyo to, pag may maling ginawa at nagpapatuloy yung gawain na yon, somewhere along the line, it will always go back to you because the universe needs to balance everything. Ang isang bagay na mali, hindi magbubunga ng tama. Tandaan nyo yun. So yun lagi ang guide nyo. In terms of the upline to the downline naman, your relationship should be purely business and professional. Anything na magiging personal, labag sa law of business yan.
Yes.
Walang personalan. Pag may issue yung downline na personal na buhay, labas kayo doon. Upline, may issue na personal na buhay downline, labas kayo doon. Bawal ang chismis.
Correct.
Okay ba yan? So, yun yung magiging, yun yung magiging premise ninyo, basis ninyo, kung hanggang saan kayo susunod, at ikaw naman upline, kung hanggang saan lang ang ituturo mo sa downline mo. Never compromise your character. Sabi ni John Maxwell, if you have to choose between strategy and character, pag mamimili ka daw ng between strategy and character, ganito strategy gawin natin. Hanap tayo ng investor. Magpapa-invest, strategy yun eh.
Strategy.
Tapos, pabilin natin ng 250 heads. Iba-iba pangalan. Di ba hanggang 7 heads lang? Strategy yun. If you have to choose between strategy and character, always choose character.
Character.
Always choose what's the right thing to do.
Correct.
Hindi naman pabilisan ng networking eh. Hindi naman pagalingan to eh. Pagandahan ng buhay to pagdating ng panahon.
Yes.
Paano masasabi maganda ang buhay ng tao? Hindi lang sa pera yan. Masasabing maganda ang buhay mo pag marami kang pera, masaya ka, at maraming taong masaya dahil sa'yo. Okay?
Correct.
Pero, kung ang mangyayari sa'yo, marami ka lang pera, pero maraming buwisit sa'yo, hindi masarap na buhay yon. Hindi masarap na buhay yung mapera ka lang, pero maraming buwisit sa'yo, maraming asar sa'yo, marami ka nasagasaan along the way, hindi masarap na buhay yon. Kasi aanuhin mo yung pera, pag nakatalikod ka, yung mga tao maraming nasasabi sa'yo. Ang masarap na buhay, may pera ka, bago buhay mo, mas sa ibang tao, yung iba, walang nasasabi sa'yo. Okay ba yun? Kaya,
Klaro.
mahaba ito kasi there is lagi nyo pong tatandaan, there is a proper way of doing the business. Huwag na natin gawing business yung business. Huwag na natin gawing monkey business yung business. So please, whatever that is moral, legal, and ethical, keep on doing it. You can never go wrong with that. Other than that, labas na. Yung don'ts na ang gagawin ninyo.
Correct. Sa cycle ka din kasi. Wala eh. Iba, sabi mo, sir, iba-balance ng universe.
Oo. Ibabalance pa rin ang universe.
Sa cycle lang.
Well, sa higher training, matututunan nyo sa higher leadership training, especially sa mga leader summit, sa trainings ng mga upline ninyo, why leaders kailangan maging upright leader ka, especially in this kind of business. Short term, pwede kang maging kumita na hindi tama yung ginagawa mo on the short run. But in the long run, things will always go back to you. Mapapag-aralan nyo yung pag umattend na kayo ng summit natin, leader summit natin. Because believe me, ang magpapatibay ng negosyo natin, walang ibang kalaban ng AIM. Ang magpapatibay ng negosyo natin, leaders. Pero, leaders din, pag hindi tama ang leadership, sila rin ang magiging anay ng negosyo natin. Kaya as early as now, try to be good leaders. As early as now, try to know what are the right things to do in this business. As early as now, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, it's not how much money you make, it's who you become when you get there. Hindi yung gaano kakaraming pera. Ang pinag-uusapan dito kung anong klaseng tao ka naging nung nagkapera ka na.
Yes!
Ha?
Galing.